I'm Sundita from BA Journalism to present today's news. A right that truly defines who we are, the right to freedom of expression. Guaranteed by Article 19(1)(a) of the Indian Constitution, this right allows every citizen, including us, students, to express thoughts and opinions freely. Whether it's speaking in a classroom discussion, writing a poem, sharing a video, or posting on social media, your voice matters and this right protects it. As students, we are in a phase of learning, questioning, and growing. The freedom to express helps us share ideas, raise our concerns, support causes we believe in, and stand up against what's wrong. It's what gives life to debate competitions, youth-led movements, and create writing. But let's not forget this freedom comes with responsibility. It must be used wisely, respectfully, and truthfully. In today's digital age, your words can reach thousands in seconds. So make them count. Express with courage but also with care. Hence, we should use this right not just to speak but to spark change. That's all for today from us. For daily news update, stay tuned with JMC. Jai Hind.